So today's journal says to find the value of the missing angles in each triangle below. Remember that triangle angles will add to be 180 degrees. So triangle, all the angles have to add together to be 180 degrees. So we're going to set up an equation that 180 degrees equals the measure of the angles given. So we have 40 degrees is one of them. We have the question mark, which I'm going to turn into X. And then we have this angle here. And that little square tells us that it's a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify 40 and 90. So 40 plus 90, right? Combine our numbers first, is 130. Keep the plus X. Then we're going to subtract 130 from both sides. And you'll be left with 50 equals X. So that missing angle here is 50. So we're going to set this up again. Backtrack here. 180 equals, okay. Did I get that ready for the next one? 180 has to equal the measure of all three angles. So we have 40, we have 112, and then we have, we'll just leave the angle B as a blank. We'll leave it as a variable X. So 180 equals 40 plus 112 is 152 plus X. Subtract 152 from both sides, minus 152. You're left with 180 minus 52, minus 152, which is 28, equals X. Last but not least, on this side, we're going to go ahead and keep going. So 180 equals 55 plus 60 plus our question marker X, right? We could leave it as question mark if that makes more sense to you. So 180 equals, we're going to do 55 plus 60. First, we always simplify. That's 115 plus the question mark. To get rid of 115, we subtract from both sides. We're left with 65 on that side equals the question mark, or X. So those are the measure of the three missing angles. Remember, the sum of any triangle angles has to be 180. So if you're given 2, you can find the third.